He. Think you can't get enough protein on a plant-based diet? Think again. In this video, we're breaking down the best plant-powered protein sources. No meat, no myths, just real results. Adding more plant-based protein to your diet can help lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. You've got plenty of options. Legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy products are all plant-based protein powerhouses. Want to get all the essential amino acids? Just mix and match your plant foods. It's easier than you think. Plant-based proteins don't just fuel your body. They come with a ton of health perks too. A 2020 meta-analysis published in the British Medical Journal found that higher plant protein intake was associated with a longer life and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Basically, swapping out some animal protein for plant-based sources could help you live longer and healthier. Another big win. Plant proteins come naturally packed with fiber, vitamins, for example vitamin C, and antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tannins, condensed and hydrolyzable, all of which support overall health. Plus, they tend to be lower in saturated fat and cholesterol than animal proteins, making them a solid choice for heart health. Beyond personal health, choosing plant-based proteins is a win for the planet. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and excessive water use. By switching to plant-based protein sources, you're not just fueling your body the right way. You're helping reduce your environmental footprint and making a more sustainable choice for the future. For protein intake, one size doesn't fit all. The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, suggests 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds, you should aim for around 56 grams of protein daily. But keep in mind, this is just a baseline. Your actual needs depend on your lifestyle, activity level, and overall health goals. If you're hitting the gym, running marathons, or just living an active lifestyle, your protein needs go up. Athletes and those engaging in regular intense exercise may need between 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to help muscles repair, recover, and grow. Making sure you're getting enough protein is necessary to boost performance and prevent muscle loss. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are absolute protein powerhouses. They're also loaded with fiber and iron, making them an essential part of any plant-based diet. A single cup of cooked lentils, that's a solid 18 grams of protein. Crunchy, delicious, and packed with protein, nuts, and seeds are a perfect snack or addition to meals. Almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are some of the best options. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds deliver about 4 grams of protein, not to mention omega-3s and fiber. Soy is basically the MVP of plant-based protein. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are all great choices. A half cup of tofu delivers around 10 grams of protein. And the best part? Soy products are super versatile. You can toss them in stir-fries, smoothies, or even grill them up. You might not think of veggies as protein sources, but some of them pack more than you'd expect. A cup of cooked spinach delivers around 5 grams of protein, while broccoli and Brussels sprouts provide about 3 to 4 grams per cup. Beyond protein, these veggies are loaded with essential vitamins, A, C, and K, minerals, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, and antioxidants, carotenoids, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. They support immune function and reduce inflammation, as well as add serious flavor and texture to your meals. One common concern with plant-based diets is ensuring you get all the essential amino acids. Unlike animal proteins, most plant proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more essential amino acids. But here's the good news. You can easily create complete proteins just by combining different plant foods. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. There are 20 amino acids, and 9 of them are essential, meaning your body can't produce them on its own. You have to get them from food. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions to support muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. Fun fact, arginine is considered conditionally essential, meaning that while it's usually non-essential for adults, it can become essential under certain conditions, especially for children, as it helps promote blood flow throughout the body. Whole grain bread and peanut butter, a childhood favorite that packs a protein punch. The key to getting complete proteins on a plant-based diet is pairing foods that complement each other's amino acid profiles. Some classic and delicious combinations include rice and beans, a staple in many cultures for a reason. Hummus and whole wheat pita, a Mediterranean powerhouse. You don't have to eat these combinations in the same meal. Just make sure to include a variety of plant-based proteins throughout the day. This way, you'll naturally get all the essential amino acids your body needs while enjoying a diverse and flavorful diet. Breakfast ideas. Start your morning with a protein-packed breakfast that keeps you full and energized. A tofu scramble with veggies and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast gives you that cheesy flavor without the dairy. Prefer something quick? Blend up a smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a spoonful of peanut butter for a creamy, delicious boost. If you love overnight oats, mix in chia seeds, almond milk, and your favorite fruits and nuts. This breakfast is not only packed with plant-based protein, but also rich in fiber, giving you lasting energy to power through your morning. For lunch or dinner, think hearty, flavorful, and nutrient-dense. A quinoa and black bean salad with fresh veggies and a tahini dressing packs both protein and bold flavors. If you're in the mood for something warm and comforting, a lentil stew with carrots, potatoes, and warming spices is the perfect choice. Want something with a bit of a kick? Try a chickpea and spinach curry that's both satisfying and protein-rich. These meals are loaded with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, helping you stay full and fueled. Plus, they can be prepped in advance, making meal planning effortless. Snacks don't have to be boring. Roasted chickpeas, mixed nuts, or a homemade protein bar made from dates and nuts are easy, on-the-go options that keep your protein intake on point. Need an afternoon pick-me-up? Smoothies are the ultimate way to sneak in extra protein. Blend your favorite fruits, leafy greens, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder for a refreshing, nutrient-dense drink that fuels both your body and mind. Eating plant-based doesn't have to drain your wallet. You just need a few smart strategies. Buy in bulk whenever possible. Grains, beans, and nuts are much cheaper when purchased in large quantities. Opt for dried beans instead of canned. They're more budget-friendly and can be cooked in big batches to last all week. Stick to seasonal produce. Fruits and veggies are fresher, tastier, and more affordable when they're in season. Frozen veggies are your best friend. They're just as nutritious as fresh produce but often come at a lower price, and they last longer. Set aside one day each week to plan your meals and create a grocery list. This helps you avoid impulse purchases and ensures you have everything you need for balanced, protein-packed meals. Batch cook your meals so you always have something nutritious ready to go. Make a big pot of lentil stew, cook a batch of quinoa, or prep roasted chickpeas for easy snacks. Storing pre-made meals in the fridge or freezer saves both time and money. The journey to plant-based living doesn't mean sacrificing gains or flavor. Countless protein-rich possibilities are at your disposal. Your daily protein needs can absolutely be met with plant sources that nourish both your body and the planet. Combining rice and beans for complete amino acid profiles, meal prepping protein-packed lunches, or adding chia seeds to your breakfast are some simple strategies to make plant protein accessible for everyone. Sustainability and health go hand in hand when you make mindful food choices. This plant protein revolution is exactly what inspired us at Live Good to create something truly special. Our complete plant-based protein takes everything you love about plant proteins and levels it up. We've carefully selected organic pea protein, which delivers all 9 essential amino acids your body craves, and paired it with antioxidant-rich organic hemp protein that supports everything from muscle recovery to brain function. But we didn't stop there. We've fortified this powerhouse blend with 26 vitamins and minerals because we know your body deserves comprehensive nutrition that works as hard as you do. Just mix 1 scoop with water or blend it into your favorite smoothie, and you're giving your body premium fuel that tastes amazing while supporting your plant-based journey. Getting enough protein without animal products is totally doable. By eating a variety of plant-based protein sources like legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, you can easily hit your daily protein goals while keeping your diet fully plant-powered. If you're looking to boost protein absorption, pairing plant-based proteins with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits or bell peppers can enhance iron absorption. Cooking and sprouting beans and grains can also make nutrients more bioavailable, helping your body get the most out of every bite. So that is the lowdown on plant-based protein options. There are plenty of them. Make sure you try the non-meat alternatives. Hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video.